Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts in the Kraken application. If you want the Kraken app to notify you whenever your favorite cryptocurrency hits a certain price, setting up price alerts is the best way. First of all, launch open the Kraken application on your mobile device, or you can also do this on a web browser. Sign into your account like you normally do, and once you're logged into your Kraken wallet account, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you want to track. For example, you can go ahead and select Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm just going to select Bitcoin. Once you're inside the overview page of the cryptocurrency that you chose, go to the top right corner and look for the little bell icon with a small plus in it. Tap on that and it will be able to take you to this create alert page. Now go ahead and set a target price. Go to the bottom and tap on the set target price button, and on the next page select when you'd like to get alert for the specific cryptocurrency. You can raise its price by tapping on the little white slider at the top. Choose a specific price level, and once you are done, click on create at the bottom. Now you have successfully created a price alert for the chosen cryptocurrency. Make sure that you have also enabled notification setting on Kraken on your device, and when your selected cryptocurrency hits the price you set, you will be notified instantly. This is perfect for traders who don't want to stare at charts all day and helps you react quickly to market moves. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.